Well, State Question 751 was the first one, and I'm happy to say that it received the highest percentage of any state question on the ballot that passed, and it makes English our official language here in Oklahoma. And as we talked about this during the 2009 session when it was initially put on the ballot, this is going to eliminate any kind of expectation that someone might have that Oklahoma should have to provide services in any language that anybody requests, as other government entities, whether they be state or county, are doing. And as you might remember, Oklahoma was sued for not providing driver's languages in the Farsi language by an Iranian couple a few years ago, and had to deal with that and have the resources of the Attorney General's office utilized to defend that suit. This should eliminate those type things happening here in Oklahoma. The other question is State Question 755, which bans our courts here in Oklahoma from considering international law or Sharia law in making any decision. Unfortunately, higher appellate courts have started citing, specifically the Supreme Court, have started citing international law in making their decisions. At Elena Kagan's confirmation hearing, she was asked point blank about international law and considering it, making rulings that are going to affect U.S. citizens, and she said she was for good ideas wherever we can find them. So happy to say that passed as well by over 70%, and our courts will not be considering that in Oklahoma. It's something that Oklahomans won't have to worry about.
For people who may not be sure what Sharia law is, can you explain what that is and why you believe that would be detrimental to our system of government and our citizens?
Sharia law is Islamic religion law, and it has already come to fruition in places like Great Britain where it never existed before. And unfortunately, also here in the United States, we had a case in New Jersey where a judge decided to apply Sharia law to a U.S. citizen in a state court case, which it boggles the mind how you could come to that point, and this state question is going to make sure we never come to that point here in Oklahoma. And both the measures were not without their critics, and I think that yesterday's loud and clear voice of the people shows that those critics are out of touch with Oklahomans, just as those in Washington, D.C. are out of touch with America.